DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I'm sharing a couple Dollar Tree craspirations. All of these are going to be home decor spring ideas. I am in full spring mode, okay? So the galvanized bucket that you see here, I purchased from the Dollar Tree. The rose bouquets I purchased from the Dollar Tree, which was very surprising because I don't normally find realistic looking flowers at my local Dollar Trees. The lace ribbon is from the Dollar Tree. And that buffalo check ribbon is a wired ribbon, and I purchased that from Hobby Lobby. But outside of that, everything else is Dollar Tree items. And I love how quickly this little bouquet came together. It mixes that farmhouse and shabby style together. I am not a full-blown farmhouse. There are certain things of farmhouse I don't really care for, so I'm more of a shabby girl. But the buffalo check is definitely my jam, okay? So with this little wishing jar, I got it because it does match the decor that I'm using. So the black and white matched. Is not the buffalo check, but it's still matched. And I wanted to add a light element for all of my seasonal and holiday home decor. I like to add light elements. So there are some lights in there. These are LED lights from Sam's Club. I purchased them for the holiday season, but I have been using them in all of my seasonal and different holiday decors. So this is something you can use year round. These will be great to use for any spring or summer weddings. If the colors don't match your decor, all you would need to do is just take some chalk paint, paint the lid, paint the tag, put your initials or a different saying, or just decorate the top of the lid with some faux flowers as well as the tag. So many different things you can do to personalize this. Now, I'm just showing you how I use these. They are styled on a thrifted mini ladder. I did show this ladder I want to say around the fall time, so it's a lot of videos back, but I did show it on my channel already, and I just love decorating this little ladder. It's so just like perfectly imperfect, and I have a "There's No Place Like Home" sign. I believe I got that from Marshall's. Wizard of Oz is my absolute one of my favorite movies. And then that burlap bow that you see is just tied on the top of a thrifted lamp base. And that lamp base does have a beautiful crystal bottom to it. And then the rest of the ladder just has some lace and just like bigger rose heads on it. The next project that I'm going to share is this wreath, and I had to make a ton of these for the front of my home. I'm making one wreath per window, so that is a lot of wreaths that I had to make. So when I do this, I personally like to keep my wreaths very basic. So the wreath is from the Dollar Tree, and I love it because each wreath took on like a different shape, and it just gives me so many shabby vibes. I really love these wreaths from the Dollar Tree. And all I did, just showing you what the back of this looks like, all I did was just took two different ribbons, made some bows out of them, hot glued the bows together, and then put a foam flower. And the foam flowers are from a local discount store that I go to. I hot glued the foam flower to the front and then used a chenille stem in the back, hot glued that, and that's how I'm going to wrap this little bow piece around the wreath. I'm showing you what the ribbon looks like. It is more like a winter material. And so what I did was just, when I used the material, I actually flipped it on the reverse where it's a little brighter and it doesn't necessarily look like such a winter material. So it's really up to you how you want to do your bows. And I'm showing you that Dollar Tree does have some ribbon if you wanted to. And then the burlap ribbon is also from the Dollar Tree. Now to hang the wreaths up, I just took some black and white twine, tied a knot at the top. And that's it. That's going to be my hanging element. And because the little bow decor piece has a chenille stem on it, I'm just going to twist that around the wreath. And that's it. Easy peasy. Doesn't take a lot of time. Doesn't take a lot of supplies. And when you have a whole bunch of them to make, you can whip these up pretty quickly. So this is what they look like. I hope you all are inspired. I am so ready for spring. I am loving just being able to finally have some time to do any sort of crafting. So I am just doing everything that I can to get my home springtime ready. And all of this decor will actually stay up all the way through summer up until I'm ready to decorate for fall. So thank you so much for watching. Have a gorgeous day, doll. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.